What's up, everyone? We're out here at Walnut Grove High School in Prosper, Texas, checking out this new Federal Signal 508 siren that was just installed. This guy is brand new, just went off. It was super loud, very, very loud, and you guys can see it's clean. I stood right next to it and got pocket footage with the DJI Pocket 3. So, I mean, the footage is phenomenal. I got really close to it, and you could hear the air rushing in and out of that thing. It's probably one of the louder sirens I've heard. And there's the Federal Signal boxes, just so you guys have it, and just so you guys are aware.